Are you getting my screen, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. So we have done this component. What is the component exactly? And we have done this power query data. What is power query data? What are the components are there exactly? What are the components are helping to the Power BI? We have seen that. So each and every component, how it will be working that. What is that component? We are going to see that, right? Now, apart from that, in this case, we have completed that. One is power query editor, and one component is Power Pivot, and now one component we discussed something about VA desktop, right? Is that no? How VA desktop we are seeing that, right? Now, in another way, sorry, in another thing, we are going to see that we're going to move forward, which is Power View. So, what is Power View? So, the Power View is you can where you can visualize, where you can analyze, and where you can display the data in the Power BI. That will be called as a Power View. So, in the Power BI, we need to create that visualizations, right? So, where we are going to creating that. So so where we are going to creating that means in Power View. So we are going to analyzing the data. Where we will do that in Power View only, and we are going to displaying the data in the visualizations. That visualizations we are going to creating the Power View. So this Power View is helps to Power BI to display the data and to analyze the data to visualize the data, right? Now we have seen that what is Power BI desktop, right? Yesterday's we are done, right? Yesterday only we are done. So what is Power BI desktop? So the Power BI desktop, it is a desktop application. So you can download it in your PC and you can use this. I mean, it is a free source. You can use this. So now, and it is interact with the Power Pivot, and Power Map, Power Q&A, Power Query, and Power BI services. Okay. Now, what it will be exactly do that? It will connect with multiple data sources to get the data into Power BI. And here, what you can do? You can create multiple reports and visualizations and dashboards. You can create in that. Okay. So apart from that, you can restrict the data, and I mean when I'm saying the restrict your data, whatever the report you have been created, whatever the report you have been created, that report will be that report can possible to filter that in your Power BI desktop. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear so far? Now we are going to see another thing component. It is Power BI service. So what is Power BI services? See, as we discussed, once we created any report, we need to create that report as a dashboard also. Okay, what is the dashboard means? I mean the dashboard in the sense where we are creating in the Power BI services, that will be called as a dashboard. So in the Power BI services, we can create a dashboard and we can create a relationship. I mean, we can create the report also. So, but the report we can create in the dashboard, the report we can create in the services, the dashboard also we can create in the services, but the dashboard you cannot create in the Power BI desktop. Okay, why? Because the dashboard is a single page report, which is collected all the visualizations in a single page where it will be where it is created by Power BI services only. So that's why we need to publish that report into the Power BI services. In this Power BI services, you have to create your dashboard. Okay, and that dashboard you have to share to your end user. It means with the help of the Power BI services, you can share the data along with the report to the end user. Whatever the dashboard, the report you have been created, okay, along with your data, it will be going to share to your end user. Okay. Now we are going to see that another thing, Power Maps. See, we know that maps. So what we know the maps? What we know the map? What are the maps are there? Hello, I'm asking you. Generally, we know the map, right? Do you know the Google Map? Everyone know this, right? Please respond.
Yes.
Yes, sir. See, actually, we know that Google Maps. In the Google Maps, what will be happen? What will happen here? So, in that Google Map, wherever we need to go, that the destination, whatever the destination is there, it is giving you the information and it is giving you some direction to go that, right? To go there, right? Now, what it is giving that information? What it is giving that information? The geographical information it is giving that, right? Yes or no? So the power map is responsible for creating interactive geographical data visualizations. See why we need to use the maps, right? See, for example, my client business is having in I mean different locations. So it means multiple locations we are having that. In many locations they are maintaining some business. So in each and every location they need to know how the business is going on that. Okay. So in this case, if they are creating, I mean, if we are going to creating the visualizations with the help of the power maps, so the maps we can create that here. Entire global maps also we can create, but it is not giving you the directions, just it is giving you the data with geographically it will be giving the data only, okay, in the visualizations in power bi, okay. So that is also we are going to see that. And apart from that, as I told you that the q and a in power bi, so the Power BI Q&A allows you to ask some questions. See why I'm saying it is the Power BI Q&A means Power BI question and answer session. I mean session itself. Now why we need to use this? So why? Because see in power bi we are having that particular feature which is ai feature, ai q&a ai q&a feature. See whenever you are having that requirement, okay, for example you did not get that requirement or else you are unable to understand that which one visualization is better to get that requirement. So if you are asking to that requirement to the Power BI Q&A, it will be giving you good result for you. So when I'm asking that when you are asking the question to that Power Q&A, you can ask it in you can ask it in your natural language. Okay, in natural language you can ask it. So it will be giving you the prompt answers. When I'm saying the prompt answers, quick answers or efficiency, or when I'm saying the prompt means what is that prompt? What is mean by prompt? Perfect answer. I mean exact answer. It will be giving that. Okay. Clear everyone? Clear or not? So these all are the components are available in the Power BI. So please respond, guys. Did you understand or not? See, simply I'm giving some introduction about the components. If you did not get me, please let me know that. I will try to explain again and again. And one more thing, if anyone did not enroll in this course, please try to enroll. You guys are having the number, right? So please ping to that. If you have any doubts, they will be my team will be contact with you, and they will be giving you the clarification of your doubts. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yeah, okay, fine. So we have done that. What are the components are available here? Done. So we know what are the components are there, right? So what are the components are there? See, we have done this, right? What is this? Power Query Editor. We have done this Power View. We have done this Power Pivot, Power BI Desktop, Power Q&A, Power Maps, or Power Mobile Apps. I did not discuss with you. I'll discuss with you this later, and Power BI Services also. So far we are done. What are the components are there? How the Power BI will be working? Okay, what is Power BI? Why are the organizations and everyone? I mean, why the organizations are giving good priority for the Power BI? It means what is the reason? What is the reason? We have seen that some features. What are the features are available with the help of the Power BI? What we can do? Okay, and what is that Power BI exactly? What we can do with the help of the Power BI? And apart from that, we have seen that the history of the Power BI. So far, are we good? Are we good? Are we good, everyone? So the agenda, what we are going to see here. Is that clear, everyone? Any doubts so far? Any doubts, guys? I hope everyone clear, right? Okay, fine. Now we are going to see another thing. We are going to see another thing. The licenses of the Power BI. So, what do you know about the license exactly? What is license?
Okay. Yeah.
What is license generally?
Right.
Hello, hello. Am I audible to you? Please let me know that what is license generally.
Driving license.
Okay, we know the driving license. Okay, why we need driving license? Why we need it? Why we need it? What is generally driving license? We know that. Why we need the license? See, actually, if you don't have the license legally, you are unable to drive any one vehicle, right? Any one vehicle. Yes or no? Yes or no? And if you observe that in the driving licenses, what are the types of licenses are there? We are having LM low motor vehicles and heavy motor vehicles, right? Yes or no? So in that, if you observe that, what is low motor vehicle, what is heavy motor vehicle? See, based on the driving license, you are able to drive particular vehicle. Yes or no? So what is going on here? Here there is some restrictions. What is that? What is that? If you are having only the LME low motor vehicles, then you are able to drive. Then you are able to drive. Why no one is interested? I'm asking you guys. Please respond. Are you feeling bored? Anyone? See, generally I'm asking that, right? I'm not asking any technical question right here. We know the license. What is the license? We know that. What is LMV? We know that. What is HMV? We know that. So why I'm saying that is, see, based on the license, the RTO department is giving you the restriction which one vehicle you need to drive. Sir, no, the same thing in the Power BI also. So we are having some licenses. What is that? Power BI Pro, Power BI Premium, and Power BI Premium per user, Premium per capacity. So, in the sense, Power BI Premium per capacity and Power BI Premium per user and Power BI Pro. So, what we can do with the help of this? What we can do with the help of these licenses? Now, whenever I'm using that Power BI Pro license, what I can do? What are the things we can do that in Power BI? So when I'm using that Power BI Pro license, okay, the data size is limited. That is up to 1 GB only. Okay, the data size is limited up to 1 GB only. So you can refresh the data 8 times per day, and maximum data per user is 10 GB. So when I'm saying the refresh the data 8 times per day, whenever the data is updating, whenever the data is modifying the data source level, you need to update it. I mean, at least 1 or 2 times. Not only 1 or 2 times. Whenever the data is going to update, whenever the data is going to modifying in the data source level, so you need to use that refresh your data to get updated information into your Power BI. Whatever the data is there in the data source, okay, that data you need to refresh that. But where you have to do that in Power BI, you have to do that. So if you want to do that in the Power BI 8 times per day, okay, you can refresh your data while you are using the Power BI Pro license. Okay, now apart from that, we're having something about data storage. Okay, so the data storage per user is 10 GB. Okay, whatever the data you are storing, whatever the data is storing in Power BI, that is the capability of the Power BI. While you are using the Power BI Pro license, you can store the data up to 10 GB only. Okay, Okay, fine. Now, whenever you are going to storing that 10 GB of data, whenever doing the data, refresh 8 times per day, whenever the data size is limited, that is up to 1 GB, whatever the things you are doing that, if you need to get these features, okay, to the Power BI, to the Microsoft Power BI, you have to pay that $10 per user. It means no need to pay for you. So this license is given by your organization. This license is given by your organization, and okay, they will be taking care of that pricing. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, if you want to get it, means you can get it, no matter. See, $10 means only 880 rupees only, right? Yes or no? Per month. So if you want to get it, means you can get it, no need to worry. Okay, now it will access the mobile application also. Okay, so it will access the mobile application, and who will use this means the organization size which is small or medium organizations will be using this. Clear everyone? What is Power BI Pro license? Now coming to that Power BI Premium per user. So Power BI Premium per user, it is 100 GB of the data. Okay, you can get the data up to 100 GB, and you can refresh your data. You can get the data up to 100 GB, and you can refresh your data up to 48 times per day. See, if you need to store your data, if the Power BI need to store the data, maximum it will be storing up to 10 terabytes. Up to 10 terabytes, it will be storing that. Now coming to here, how much you need to spend for the to get the premium per user license? Okay, $20 per month per user you have to pay here, and it also accepting that the mobile applications, and who can use this means who can use huge and enterprise scale can use this premium per user license. Okay, is that clear everyone? On Power BI Premium per capacity 400 GB you can store your data. Okay, and up to 48 times, say same thing, you can refresh your data up to 48 times. So what are coming to the day maximum data storage, you can store maximum data up to 100 terabytes. Okay, and apart from that you can store your data for if you need to do that, if you need to get that, how much you need to pay here? Around $5,000 you have to pay here. Okay, see now if you need to accept, if you need to, you it will be accessing the mobile application also while you are using that Power BI Premium per capacity. Is that clear? Now who can use this? Huge on enterprise scale can use this. So this is about the licensing in the Power BI. Okay, the licensing in the Power BI, this is exactly. Is that clear everyone? I hope everyone clear with this, right? Any doubts in this so far? Are we done? See, no one is responding means what is mean by that? You guys are getting or not? How can I understand it? Please respond at least one person.
Is clear, no doubt.
Yes, thank you. What happened to you guys? Durga and Srinivas, Sabrinathan. Am I audible to you guys or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please respond, guys. Because if you did not respond, means I'm unable to understand that you guys are getting or not, right? So that's what I'm asking. That you please respond at least. Okay. Fine. So we are done. What are the licenses are available? Okay. Now we are going to see that another thing. Another thing. Why we need the database? See, as a Power BI developers or as a data analyst, we are going to working on completely data, right? Sir, no? We are going to working on completely data. So if you need to get the data, if your data is in the databases, right? So you need to know that, see why we need to go for the database. We are going to learn that SQL also, then but why? But why means the database, why? Because everyone will store the data in the databases or cloud or the flat files, yes or no? Yes or no? Where the data will be storing? The data will be storing in database only, right? Yes or no? So the databases can store, why they are storing the data, the clients, why they are storing the data in the databases? Why? Because the databases can store large number of, see the database can store large number of records efficiently. Why? Because see the database can store the large number of records means the huge amount. If you are having the data, the huge amount of the data, it will be storing into your database. So web interfaces to the data, okay. And apart from that, very quick and easy to learn to find information. Wherever you store your data, you can find it easily, okay, and quickly you can find it the information where the data has been stored. It means you can find it wherever the data is there. In the data, whatever the requirement is there, okay, based on the requirement you can get it easily in your database, okay. And one more thing, if you need to add any other information with your existing data, you can add it easily, okay, and you can edit it easily. So you can share the, huge the data set among many peoples. So whatever the data you have been stored in that databases, that database in that data in the database, you can share to anyone. Many people means anyone with the data set, okay. So that's why the clients are everyone storing the data into the databases, and that database we are going to using that as a Power BI developer, as a data source. Okay, clear everyone? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now we'll do one thing. What I'm trying to give is actually, we have done the basic concepts. What are the concepts you have to know that before going to learn the Power BI? Everyone install, everyone, please enroll that, okay. Now tomorrow onwards we are going to starting that the practical sessions, okay. Give me a second. Okay, fine. So today we are going to see that how to install your Power BI to work on that, okay. See actually so far we are done what are the basic concepts you have to know if you need to work on Power BI, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? So still we need to know something, okay. If you guys are need to know something means we are going to installing that, we are going to installing that Power BI, okay. How to install the Power BI means it's very simple and very easy, okay. It is very simple and very easy to install that into your PC. So now, if you need to work on Power BI, you need to download and install that Power BI desktop application. Okay. So the Power BI desktop application you are going to install in your PC, and then you are going to working on that. Now, if I need to install that Power BI desktop in my PC or in my laptop in my device, there is two methods. There is two ways. Okay. One is a straightforward thing, and another one is you can go to the Google and you can type here Power BI desktop to download. Now you need to search that Power BI desktop download. Okay, when you searching that, you are able to get it. Okay, or else you can get it this one also. The first link you have to click on that. Once you click on that, in the download center, we are having something here. Select your language, whatever the language you do have. Okay, click on the download. If you once you click on the download, it will be downloading that. And this is all things what we discussed so far. What is the get data? Okay, the relationships, creating the reports, save your report, upload or publish your report to your Power BI services. These are all the things it is will be giving that. Okay, and apart from that there is system requirements. Okay, so what are the requirements you need to have? What are the requirements you need to have? It means that while if you need to install your Power BI in your PC, so at least you need to have I mean Windows 10. Okay, Windows 8 also it will be working, but it's better to use Windows 10 only. Okay, Microsoft Power BI desktop requires Internet Explorer 10 or greater. Microsoft Power BI Desktop is available for 32 bytes, 64 bytes platforms. Okay, so you need to check the system requirements. Is that clear? And then you need to click on the download. It will be asking that which one I need to download. Okay, based on your requirement, you can, I mean, based on your device, you can download. Choose the download you want. See, select this Power BI Desktop 64 exe. Go and download this. You'll get it. You will get it. Is that clear, everyone? It will be download and you can install that. While you are installing that Power BI application, if you have any doubts, if you have, I mean, if you are facing anything issue, please let me know that tomorrow session. I'll let you know. I will explain it clearly how to do this. And apart from that, as I told you, another way to install that Power BI, and another way to install the Power BI, we are going to see that. See, now we have seen that how to install your Power BI, how to download your Power BI in Google. Now, if you have, I mean, Windows 10, everyone will be having that. One is Microsoft Stores, right? Sir, no? Do you know this Microsoft Stores? Do you know this or not? You will be having it. You can search this. Now, in the Microsoft Stores, we are having something about. We need to search Power BI desktop. So the Power BI desktop, you need to search this. See, it is asking that installation. Now what you have to do? You have to install this. You need to click on this and it will be installed directly. See, starting downloading. I don't need it. Why? Because already I do have the Power BI, right? So I don't want it. So that's right. See, it is a straightforward. It is a simple thing. You guys are need to download it. Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? And I will upload
Yes.
the document how
Yes.
to download and install the Power BI application in your PC. I will upload a document to your Google Classrooms. Okay, if you need to get the Google Classroom classes, recorded classes, record sessions, any document, if you want to get it, you need to go to Google Classrooms and there only it will be available. Okay, if you want to get it means you need to reach out to our team. So my team will be, our team will be helps to you how to get the recording sessions and the documents regarding about the topics, each and everything. We are going to providing that in the Google Classrooms. Is that clear, everyone? Any doubts? Any doubts? I mean,
You,
in installation
you,
part, simple part
you,
it
you
is.
sent the
Okay.
you sent the step-by-step process, right? Installation.
Yes, yes. I'll send it. I'll send it. Simply
Okay.
it is. See, try yourself. If you are getting that means go for I mean documents and the step by step document I will give you. In the Google Classroom, it will be available. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, clear?
Got it.
Yes. Any doubts so far? What we have done? Any doubts? Okay, fine. So we are done how to install that Power BI. Okay, what are the basic components and I mean what are the basic concepts we have to know that we are done that, right? So and tomorrow onwards, so I'm going to starting the practical sessions with the Power BI. How the Power BI desktop will be there, what we need to do. Okay, see once you install your Power BI desktop, how it will be looks like. I'm going to open my Power BI desktop. Please wait for 2 seconds. See, this is exactly my Power BI desktop where I can create the reports and visualizations. Okay, this is exactly it is. See, these all are the visualizations. What are the visuals we need to use? Okay, and this is my data pan where I can get my data. I mean the fields of the data where I can get that, and we are having this report view and table view, and then again we are having model view also. So these all are the things we are going to using that. Okay, we'll see that. See, please try to download that Power BI for today and install that today, and we'll see that everything in tomorrow session practically. Okay, clear everyone? Clear?
It's so clear.
Why? Because it's very important to install that Power BI in your PC. See, each and every concept we are going to see practically only. Okay, the 3 sessions very less I'm discussing here. Almost I will discuss only the practical sessions. Okay, clear? But I need to say something about the basic I mean basic concepts what we have to know before learning the Power BI. What are the concepts you have to know that I should say. So that's why I'm done for these 3 sessions only for the concept basic concepts for the Power BI only. Okay, going forward we are going to see that what are the components we have to see that see what are the I mean what are the things we discussed so far. Those concepts will become in practical sessions when I'm asking the question for about that. You guys I need to answer that. Okay, and not only for teaching that only technology. Okay, here you can learn that how the real time will be there. Why? Because see so far I'm working since 9 years. Okay, I'm working since 9 years in many organizations, many MNC companies I did work, and apart from the startups also I did work. So I mean I'm going to sharing my experience. I'm going to share you my experience means the I mean the lot of subject is there in the Power BI. See, if anyone asking that what is Power BI, see there is nothing about the Power BI. There is something about the creating visualizations. There is something about the creating reports and dashboards only. It is a drag and drop tool. They will be saying that it's not a good way to understand what is Power BI. See in the Power BI, you guys are need to learn lot of things, a lot of things. Why? Because see, not only I mean, a programming language is a technology. Okay, we are having many technology. See in the Power, see if you observe that the Power BI also is like a, I mean, in-depth subject. We are having that in-depth subject. We are having that. You have to know that. If you need to work on that Power BI, see going forward, if you know the Power BI will be giving you, I mean the Microsoft will be giving you daily, I mean each and every month, end of the month, it will be giving some update to the Power BI. So you need to be up to date when you are learning that or working on that Power BI. Why? Because every month, every end of the month, they will be giving some, they will be giving some updates. See if you know, if you don't know means I'll give you simply. When I'm learning the Power BI, when I'm learning the Power BI, I don't have this. I don't have this. What is this? Import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server. Okay, try a sample data set and paste data into a blank table. Get data from another source. These all options, these all operations are not there. I'm not get. I didn't get it, but now it is available. It means and apart from that, see, in this year only, not year, in this year, last year, December, June, August or September, they are giving something update about this mobile layout view. We don't have this. While before, 8 months ago it is not there. Just 4 to 5 months ago it is updated. And apart from this, if you observe this model view, we don't have the data, and in the data we don't have the model, we don't have the table. So these are all the updates is giving by Power BI. It means keep on learning, keep on learning, keep on learning. That's it. Calculation group. It also not there. Something they are going to updating with the Power BI. Okay. See, it is helps you to get your work easily. Do your work easily. It means it is giving you completely an updates. Every month they will be giving some updates. Each and every month. See, now there is today is 9th, right? 25th to 30th of January they will be giving something updates. They will give you something updates here. Okay, clear everyone? So that's what you have to do is please keep on up to date. Please keep on going on up to date. Clear? So apart from that, we are going to learn something about the databases. In the databases, we are going to see about MySQL. Why we need to learn the MySQL means, see, we can discuss about that flat files also. So, but we are going to discussing about the MySQL. Why? Because if my clients are stored, see, almost the clients will be storing the data in the databases and clouds only, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? So in the databases, if I'm having the data in the databases, how I can work on that? If you don't know means, yes or no? For that's why I'm giving something about the data analytical part also for the course. Okay, in this course you are including that MySQL also you can cover. Okay, we are going to see that. Is that clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So that's all we have seen that for today, and for tomorrow we are going to starting that Power BI, how to work on visualizations, how to create a report. See, we are having many visuals here, right? Many visuals. The defaultly Power BI can provide for you default visualizations, 25 plus visualizations or 30 plus visualizations. In these visualizations, nearly we are going to cover 25 to 30 visualizations. Okay, and here also if you observe that they keep on updating that visualizations. There is no card new, there is no slicer new, but 1 month ago, they updated this slicer new. 2 months ago they updated one is card, 2 months or 3 months ago they updated card new. So what they are doing is how they are trying to simplify the work in the Power BI. But here, and one more thing, you no need to you no need to write any single line of code in Power BI. It's completely non-coding, completely without having coding knowledge. Everyone can learn it. Everyone can learn it. Why? Because it is a non-coding tool. There is nothing in the coding. There is nothing coding in the Power BI. But there is one thing. It is DAX functionalities. See, when I'm saying the DAX functions means the functional language is available. See, no need to worry about that also. Just you need to know something about the formulas only. Do you know some function? Do you know some? Hello, do you know the sum function?
Yeah, yeah. Sum function is a simple one. Add all the
Simple
column.
one, right? Yes,
Yeah.
which will be adding the values and which will be giving the total value in the particular column, that will be called as a sum function, right?
Yep.
Do you know the max function?
A maximum of the value number.
Yeah, exactly. That's what, right? So those type of the aggregated functions and some filter functions, date and time function, time intelligent functions, very, very important functions, time intelligent functions. Very, very important. For each and every project, we should use that time intelligent functions. Each and every project, whatever project you are working on that, you should be having some requirement from, at least one requirement will be there from time intelligent functions. At least one. So those functions also we are going to see that. So that's why I'm saying that it is not a programming language. See, it's a programming language in the Power BI. We can say that. Did you got my point? Did you got
Yep.
my point? So the
Yeah,
programming
got it.
language is in the Power BI. We can call it as. So we are going to see that also the DAX functionalities and where we can. And apart from that, we are going to see some ETL process. Okay. See, while you are working with the Power BI, you don't need anyone of help who is a ETL developer. You no need. Directly, you can do yourself whatever you want. When when you are done that Power Query editor, what are the operations, what are the things you can do. So now we discussed about that Power Query, right? Power Query editor, ETL process, right? Inbuilt ETL tool. Inbuilt ETL tool means you can edit your data. It means you can you can edit your data means whatever the requirement you do have based on that your requirement you can work on your data. So these are all the concepts we are going to see that. So please keep on update and please be interested to learn this course. It's very giving. It's very good to technology. It will be giving you good. I mean, it will be giving you bright future in the IT sector. If you need to enter in IT, it's very very. I mean, best option for you. If you need to enter into the IT, good option, better option for you, which is of course what we are doing right now. Okay. Simply you can crack your interviews also. I will help you to how to crack the interviews. What are the what are the, I mean what are the questions they will be asking that, and we are going to connecting the mock interviews. I'm going to giving you providing some resumes also. I will provide for you good professional resumes and how to create a get how to create a profiles the job boards, job portals, and apart from that, we are going to providing real time projects also. So far I did work in many domains. So in those domains, I will pick some projects for you, and I will give you that explanation how to do work on that one project. So these are the topics, these are the things we are going to cover that. You don't need to worry about it. Okay, just you have to be focused. That's it. Efforts and focus. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, fine. See, thank you for attending everyone. See, if anyone did not, enroll that, please enroll. Please try to enroll. Why? Because maybe they will be changing the link for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I don't know that exactly. Once you did, if you want to get any recording sessions, if you want to get any any documentations, you will get from Google Classroom. If you need to get the access from the Google Classroom, you need to enroll that. First of all, you have to enroll, and then only you are able to get the recording sessions. Okay, every day 1 hour session will be there. Okay, each in that 1 hour, I'm going to completing that Power BI for 2 months. Done, everyone. I hope everyone clear, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. I'm going to leave. I will meet you tomorrow. Okay.